Hey there! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of NLP anchoring and how it can rewire your self-image. Imagine having a tool that can instantly shift your mindset and emotions, enhancing how you see yourself and interact with the world. Sounds powerful, right? Let's break down how it works. First off, let's talk about the science behind it. Our brains are wired to create memory loops. These loops are essentially patterns of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that we repeat over and over. Think of them like grooves in a record. Whenever you experience something, your brain creates a loop that links the event with your emotional response. Over time, these loops shape your self-image. Now here's where NLP anchoring comes in. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. It's a method that uses specific techniques to influence your brain's language and behavior patterns. Anchoring in particular is about creating a trigger or anchor that you can use to evoke a desired emotional state. For example, you might touch your thumb and index finger together while feeling confident. By repeating this action, you create a link between the physical movement and the feeling of confidence. So, why does this work? It all goes back to those memory loops. By consistently pairing a physical action with a positive emotion, you're essentially rewriting the grooves in your brain. Over time, this can shift your self-image from one of doubt to one of confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Body movement is a critical component. Neuroscience shows that our body and mind are deeply interconnected. When you use body movements as anchors, you're engaging multiple brain regions. This reinforcement makes the mental change more powerful and long-lasting. Here's a practical application for you. Let's say you want to feel more confident before a big presentation. Start by recalling a time when you felt truly confident. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in that memory. Now choose a physical action like pressing your thumb and index finger together. As you do this, focus on that feeling of confidence. Repeat this several times until the action and the feeling are linked. Then, before your presentation, use your anchor to trigger that confident state. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger the anchor becomes. You're essentially training your brain to associate the physical action with the desired emotion. And there you have it. By using NLP anchoring, you can rewire your self-image, break free from negative memory loops, and step into a more empowered version of yourself. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Stay motivated and keep growing.